Alright guys, back at the shop, and like I said, we're actually gonna unveil the OG. We're just gonna call it the OG for now. So we got the guys here. We're gonna throw the car up on the lift and pull out the differential and see how damaged it actually is. And then I've got my stock 292 G8 diff. We're gonna throw that in there, and that way we can get this out of the way and start working on the other car, get that transmission out, and start going and messing with that. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera down, and we're going to get this thing on the lift and get it up in the air and go from there. Alright, now that we've got the car up in the air, I'll go over a little bit more of what we got going on with this. So, as you can see in there, I'm not sure how well you can see it, it's got AFCO drag front struts on it. It's got pipes. These are pipes, tri-wise. And then the collector on them has been cut off on the collector. And I had the collector's collector's stretched to 3-inch, and then I welded on these 3-inch extensions, and it goes into a MagnaFlow full 3-inch exhaust. And then right now, this is how we ran at the end of the season. It's got these little bullet mufflers on here right now, but these are going to come back off, and then we're going to put the full exhaust back on it. It's got a Camaro, it's a BMR Camaro HD drag rear sway bar on it with the BMR 15-inch conversion with strange engineering coilovers on the back. And then, like I said, I've got the 275 by 28 tires with RC Comp 15 by 10 wheels. So here, Rich, roll that wheel around. You can see, you might be able to see the axle. Right now it's engaged, but yeah, all right, look at this axle. I don't know if you can see it in the camera bouncing around. It's completely free. The other side's not even spinning. But the spider gears are completely, yeah, there's nothing even in there now. We're just gonna swap over to the Camaro, or the stock G8 292 gears, and I think it might actually work out quite well. But if not, then I'll end up throwing trying the 341 gears from a Camaro, see if I can get me one of those, or maybe just rebuild this with like a locker or something in it, a stronger diff with whatever. I think there's quite a few options out there now for Camaro ring gears and pinions and stuff, so I might try something different to where I can actually launch in second instead of first, and see if that'll work with the right converter. But we'll see. Right now we're gonna get this diff out of here, so see you in a little bit. Alright, so the camera died while we were taking it out, but I'm going to use my phone. I don't think it's supposed to look like that in there. There's some kind of chunky piece. You're blinding me with the light. I don't even need it. Keep spinning it. That piece up there, I don't think that's supposed to be there. You can actually see it like rattling and falling around. Yeah, there it just slid. That's the only reason the car could still move forward. So, yeah, that's broke. We got the diff in the car, and we decided to throw it in real quick because we need to get this thing out of the way, so I didn't want to wait around for anything else. So the diff is back in the car, wheels and everything are back on. All we got to do is put diff fluid or, you know, gear oil in it, which I don't think I have. I definitely don't have enough gear oil to fill that up right now, so I'm going to
put the street exhaust back on.
Yeah, we put the street exhaust back on it, the MagnaFlow 3-inch back on it. Everything's tightened up and stuff. We just got to fill it up with fluid, and obviously I have to go into HP Tuners and change the tune back to 292 gears. And then I can get this thing cleaned up because it's been sitting in here and getting all nasty. So that's that. We got that all done and put back together. So one of the next videos probably we're going to be putting the gray car up on here and pulling the transmission, pulling the exhaust, seeing what differentials in that car, what kind of shape it's in, and go from there. So see you guys in the next video.